Hello, how are we doing? Thank you for all of your messages on my previous video or I should say, the unedited video that I put in my story. And here I am with the second episode of Unedited Reflections with Tenzin. So actually, my real name is Wangchuk, but understandably, it's hard to say Wangchuk. Most people will say Wangchuk or Wang. So Tenzin is a pretty common and a relatively easier name to pronounce. So I'm happy to go by Tenzin um, in my workplace and in Australia. And also, I am called Tenzin in my med school. So yeah, actually, most of my med school friends will not will not know my actual name. So if you say Tenzin in a Tibetan community, everyone will say hi. Okay, because it's a very common name. All right. So today I'm gonna discuss about something very important, and that is in regards to the role of agents in the Australian Medical Council pathway or the Australian Medical Council journey. So, if you ask this one important question to me, um, whether an agent is absolutely necessary uh, for you to, from like beginning from the start of your AMC journey to getting a job, I would say no. If you ask me another question and ask whether doing it through the agent will make everything easier for you and everything quicker for you, and like you will have 100% success rather than doing it by yourself from scratch, and I would say no as well. The reason is in Australia, no one will serve you a job like this for you to take it as easy as you think that can happen through the agents. Now, I believe that if you are a medical student or a doctor, you have a fair good basics about reading the documents and doing the paperwork or doing the research by yourself if you are keen to spend some time on yourself and do your basics right in terms of studying about the pathways and everything from the epic verification, which is the start of the AMC journey, to um, job hunting. Everything can be done by yourself. Of course, the middle part includes a lot of other things like exams, doing your CV, doing your cover letter, which everything can be done by yourself. You don't necessarily have to take any agent or any person's specific assistance unless it's your choice and you're okay with spending a huge amount of money with the belief that things can be served at your like just beside you, uh, and this is absolutely not true. Now, one of the things that I'm really concerned about is that when an agent promises you with things like, okay, you get enrolled in my whatever thing is, and then like we will make sure that um, we'll teach you with the exams, we'll get you a job. No, it doesn't happen that way. You have to take the exams based on your learning. You will have to do the interview. You will have to find the jobs. And in Australia, no one can actually like serve the job to you, as I've already mentioned. And in terms of CV and cover letter, so like you, I also think that I really need a professional CV maker or a professional cover letter writer, um, to ensure that I get qualified for the jobs. Um, it is true that the professionals can make your CV and cover letter look better, but if you're someone who is not keen to spend a hefty amount or a huge slum of dollars, just to fix your CV and cover letter, then you can do it by yourself, really, And I have also uploaded a 30-minute video of how to write a CV and how to write a cover letter from basics with each sentence. And you can also find other similar videos in the YouTube as well. And I would like to reiterate that this is not a part of my YouTube promotion or whatever. Like, it's a genuine um, support that I would like to provide, like in terms of letting you know that things can be done by yourself. Yeah, and hopefully, yeah, you get everything sorted. I know that it can take time. Um, no pathway is a magic pathway that can be done in few months, like as quick as possible. It takes its own time. But believe me, things can be done by yourself, and you don't necessarily need an external help unless, like, you are happy to spend uh, a good amount and you choose to do that. It's absolutely up to you. All right. See you again in the next episode. Bye.